Hey friends, let's draw. You can draw on paper, maybe you can use crayons or your markers, whatever your parents say is okay to draw with. The ideas that we're gonna draw are also fun to do with sidewalk chalk. So when it's a pretty day and you're outside drawing with sidewalk chalk, why don't you try out some of these? I've just got some markers here and I wanna show you some of the books that I love to draw from. One is I Can Draw Animals. And what I like about this is it shows you one step at a time how to draw these fun animals. And this is a really cool book from Usborne Books More, and it helps you know how to draw really great things. Okay, I also want to show you step-by-step drawing books. So there's the drawing book, drawing dinosaurs, drawing animals. There's also a drawing people. These, you could use these outside with sidewalk chalk, but there's also lots of space to draw inside the books. Okay, let's draw some bugs, all right? And we're going to do it just like this. So we'll do this one, and we'll draw this one, and we'll draw this one, and this one. Are you ready? Okay, I have to keep looking at the book because I just need to know how to do it. Okay, here we go. I've got my marker. First thing it says is draw an oval. Do you have an oval drawn? Yay! Okay, and then we mark this off, and then we give him 8 legs, 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count with me on the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Okay, he's looking more like a bug, isn't he? But he needs some eyes. Okay, let's give him some eyes. There's one eye, and there's his other eye. Wow, those are really great eyes. And then we're just gonna give him some antenna. If you want to, you could draw little balls on the end of his antennas like that. And then we're gonna give him some stripes. You know, I've got different colors here, so some of these stripes could be wider and some of them could be more narrow. And I could draw with a different color and give him different colored stripes. That's kind of fun. Okay, and then you could go back to your first color. Oh my gosh, my bug's looking pretty wonky. How's your bug looking? Okay, isn't this fun? Okay, now we'll just draw a couple more lines over there, and we've got our bug made out of an oval. That was the first thing we drew, was an oval. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a bug starting with a square. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's put, what do we need here? Okay, we're just gonna draw a square right here. Can you see this really well? Yes. How are you doing with your square? Are you good? Yay! Okay, now we're gonna just make a line right across the top. And then we're gonna draw 4 legs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? Do you have legs on your square? Let's turn it into a bug. Okay, now we're gonna need some eyes. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. We make a big circle. In a big circle, those are the beginnings of the eyes, and then let's put a dot inside and a dot inside. And let's give him some nice little grabbers in the front. There are his grabbers. How is that looking? And then maybe here, we're just gonna make his drawing something that might be kind of like wings. Okay, do you have a bug too? Yay! Okay. Now let's draw a bug that has kind of a triangular body. Are you ready for this? Okay, remember these are fun inside, they're fun with sidewalk chalk. Okay, so let's see. First we go like this, and then we kind of come around like that. So it's kind of like a triangle, but those sides are a little bit rounded. Okay, now we're gonna kind of draw a head. Oh my gosh, what does that look like? An ice cream cone? What? We could turn this into an ice cream cone, but we're not. We're gonna turn it into a bug. Okay, 3 legs. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. We want the same number of legs on each side, don't we? Okay, now we need antenna and eyes. This guy just has really simple eyes, right like that. Can you draw some simple eyes on your bug, right like that? Okay, now we need to give him some antenna. Ready? Here we go. Bloop, bloop. Okay. And now we need some dots. Let's give him some dots. Oh, we kind of color those in right like that. Yeah. You know, I think I might give mine some other color dots too. Those are purple. I'm going to give him some pink dots. Let's see if how this looks. Oh, look at my pink dots. He has 2 colors of dots on his back. What color dots does your bug have? How is that? Okay, that's fun. I would love to see a picture of your bugs. Okay, now I want to show you, remember we're using this step-by-step drawing book, and we're on the bug page, and we have one more bug down here. Now we're going to draw this. So we're going to make a circle, then we're going to put on his head, and then his eyes and antenna, and then the stripes, and I guess that's all that's left, isn't it? Or the zigzaggy stripes. Okay, let's do that. That's going to be fun. All right, I have my marker. Are you ready? Yay! Okay, so we're going to start with a round circle. There are so many things you can draw from a circle. And this is one of them. We're going to draw a bug. Okay, so we've got his body, and then we give him a nice head. Oh, that is a great head. And then we give him some antennas. 1, 2, and some eyes. 1, 2. Do you have more than 2 antennae? How many antennae do you have on your bug? Do you have 2? Do you have a silly bug that you're making? Are you turning it into a monster? That would be funny. Okay, now let's give him some legs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 on each side. And then we're going to give him some zigzaggy stripes. How about we do that with an orange? Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There! We have 4 bugs. And we made these bugs from step-by-step drawing book from Usborne Books and More. Hey, that's pretty cool. I'm Nancy Ann Wortman, and I'm so happy to have been drawing with you today. See you later. Bye-bye.